everyone, it's me. Let me push this back some because it's a little too close. I had a doctor's appointment, so and I put the headband on. But when I got home today, I had a package come in. Well, I was expecting this package. It is a small, little bit of haul. Do I have it right? Yeah. Ulta. Okay, let's see what we got in here today. I think I know, but I guess. These are so cute. I'm going to take out. Note it comes with a little receipt thing. I'm going to take it out. Yeah. All this, I'm going to take it out. This is my little itty bitty package right here. Little haul. And like I said before, I love how they separate their stuff, like their liquids and everything else, from the regular like makeup, because you don't want that mixed in with your makeup and vice versa. It's not good. So let's open this up since I got this out. And of course, all y'all know that I do use Olaplex, and I was running out some stuff. This right here is the best. I love this. This is the Olaplex Intensive Bonding Building Hair Treatment number 0. You use this before you shampoo and condition. Next we have, it's another one of my favorites, and it's also by Olaplex. I mean, I haven't tried this yet. I'm hoping that it works on my hair. It is also from Olaplex, and it's number 6, and it's the Bond Smoother. Next that we have in line, this is also my favorite. You also use this for pre-shampoo. You sit this on your hair for 10-20 minutes at least. I do. Living in the South is not good. This is the Olaplex Hair Perfector number 3. Okay. And that is not all of the Olaplex that I have. I also have the shampoo and conditioner, and also got something else in here, the oil that I want to try. And I love this brand right here. All their products smell so good. It is by Tree Hut, and it is the Shea Sugar Scrub Exotic Bloom. I also have the, right now I got the cotton candy. I used all of my watermelon and my first cotton candy. I'm on my second cotton candy. And I also have the margarita. I got something else. I don't know. But like once a week or something, when you wash your hair, you can also use it like that. Or when I change my Dexcom G6 meter, I've also been known to use it then. But their stuff smells so good, and it's good for your skin. Let's say it's got shea butter, and it wipes away all the dead skin cells. Awesome sauce. And that is it for this bag right here. We're going to go through, pick out whatever's next. This is the Olaplex bonding oil. I'm going to go ahead and open up the box. I also throw away the box. Sorry. Okay. Because, like they always said, there's a saying, a little dab will do ya. So, I'm hoping to try this now, hoping that it works. Let's see. It says it reduces frizz and flyaways, extends color and renews vibrancy, heat protection up to 450 degrees, shortens drying time, hallelujah, softens and detangles, no residue, color safe, vegan, and alcohol free. Yeah, you gotta keep. I'm keeping this because it's got the instructions on how to use it. This uses small amount to damp or dry hair, style as desired. To dispense, remove cap, turn bottle upside down. Although, like, some people don't even want to know. Okay, so I'm gonna put this back, in the box and keep it in the box. So there, this is your Olaplex. Let's see what we got here. I also like to do nail stuff sometimes. Then this is a You Are a Gem, and this is from Ulta Beauty, their own brand. And it's nail decals and gem set. And it's so pretty. Like if you polish your nails and you want to put a little bit of bling to it, this will do. Let's see what it comes. How many comes in there? It comes in 3 nail decals, 3 sheets, and 3 sheets of nail gems. So, thank you, Ulta Beauty, for coming out with this. I looked it up on their website. If you're on your phone, look it up on your app. Okay. I think I know what this is. Well, I've ordered it. Duh. I think I know. This is Kylie Jenner. What's it? Jenner. And this is matte liquid lipstick and lip liner. And it is in the Ulta Beauty matte. So, let's open this up. Ah, Kylie. I love me some Kylie. So. And it comes with your lip liner and your liquid lipstick. Oh, this is so cute. Oh, yeah. Yeah, Kylie. I like the design. The design is so pretty. Let's see how this looks. I mean, I'm not too fond of a lip liner, but I can use the lipstick. And I got some. That's cute. Oh, too cute. Too cute, Kylie. Thank you for coming out with this just for Ulta. Thank you. I had this on my save list, and when I got it, I got it. And also with the Kylie, I don't know what this is. It came with a free gift. They didn't show you this whenever you order it, whenever you get your catalogs once a month. But if you have the app or you go to the website, they do have secret gifts if you order the products. And this came when I ordered the lip kit. And it is the Kylie let's see, the Kylie mirror keychain. This is so cute. Okay, let me open this. Next month I'm planning on doing my vacation ish in December. I'm definitely flying. Fuck daddy. It's a keychain. Oh, I'm sorry. Didn't know this was on there. It's a keychain and it's faux leather. Pleather. And you open it up and you got a mirror. Which Kylie, we gotta talk about the mirror. So, but it's cute. I mean, it was free, and I can't complain. When you get something for free, that's what you get. But it was from Kylie Cosmetics. Unless you really got to get into the light. Damn, this thing's fucking scratched. Okay. So that is it for the little Ulta haul that I got. And I did go to the doctor today. Everything's looking good. It's looking good. It's looking great with my diabetes. I don't get my A1C done until another 6 months, but he is trying me on a new medication for my kidneys, which there is nothing wrong with my kidneys. They're protecting them. Put this up here. But this is the new medication he's trying me on. I got samples for a month, and it's I'm gonna spell it out for you because I can't pronounce it. Kerendia, and it's 10 milligrams, and it's for your kidneys, and it's by the company Bayer. My information's not on here, so we good, we cool, we all Gucci. And I can put Kylie with Ariana Grande. Let's see. This may take a while, y'all. Oh, we got it. We got it. We good. We all Gucci. It's Gucci. It's good. And there you go. Oh, wrong way. There we go. There's Kylie. So, that is it for my video. Please like, subscribe, and comment. And let's get these viewerships up so I can get monetized. I think now with YouTube you have to have 4,000 hours and 1,000 subscribers in order to get monetized. But I'm taking all this off and still talking. So please add, like, and subscribe to my channel, and thank you for tuning in. And much love and a lot of hugs from this great state of South Carolina. And there will not be a GoFundMe account for Myrtle Beach, because I do look it up online, and I think a flight to Myrtle Beach, I mean not straight to Myrtle Beach, but they do make a stop in Charlotte Douglas, and it's like for a round trip $500 and some. But I also looked for places to stay in Myrtle Beach that accommodates 2 amputees like myself. And there is one place, and it's the Doubletree by Hilton. And it's right oceanfront, and I think they wanted $88 a night because I went to Trivago on their app and looked it up. If I can get this damn thing open. So, enough of me just rambling. Let me see if I can get this off, and if I can get this off, this video will end. So, without me having to do my teeth then. Oh, well, fuck it. I'm going to go ahead and go for now. I'm already at the 16-minute mark, so see y'all later. Bye. Bye, y'all. I know this is going to irritate y'all, but who didn't like doing this and just irritate? Okay, bye y'all.